Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. You have to start by open EARFUN Audio app. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, then scroll down. And you need to find the line version located in About. Tap at this line, it checks for updates, and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this window you can update it. Next step is to perform a software set. To perform a software set, you need to put both your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone, and after that you just open the charging case, reconnect your earbuds from the phone and check is it fixed your problem. You can check it also in the application. If it also didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case. Then at the bottom of the case, near to USB-C port, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on your earbuds flash purple. So it's something like 8 seconds. First it starts blinking blue, it's okay, just enter to pairing mode. Here we go, now you can release your finger. Then we need to reconnect them, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, we have connection, and check, is it fixed. Also, if it doesn't, I recommend it to put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and fully charge your earbuds. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, maybe you need to contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!